Hello, this is Omron M2 BP monitor. Let's unbox. As you can see, there is a pouch for the monitor. This is the BP machine Omron M2. This is the arm cuff. This machine is very easy in use. This is the booklet guide and you have to read before using the BP monitor, or if you get any errors, so refer to this booklet and you will get solution for that errors. Let's remove the plastic from the BP monitor. This is very small in size and very easy to use. No need any settings. This is the arm cuff with the tube. This is the battery cells which we will install inside the BP monitor. Remove this cap and install the batteries correctly according to the plus and minus signs. Sometimes if your BP monitor is not working, so maybe the batteries are not installed correctly. Install the 4 batteries and close it back. Take this arm cuff and take the one end of the tube and insert here inside the BP monitor. As you can see here, this is the place for this tube. Keep it here. Now this our BP monitor is ready for use. No need any setting. It's a very simple BP monitor and very easy to use. There is start and stop button which you will operate this monitor. Wrap the arm cuff around your arm and just press the start button and this will start the BP measurement. Rub the arm cuff exactly like this. The instructions are also shown on the arm cuff. Keep the tube in the middle of your hand. It's very easy. You don't need anyone help. You can do it yourself. Wrap this one around your arm and keep the tube in the middle of your hand. The best way to remove any clothes from your arm and you will get the correct results. Now by pressing the start button on the BP monitor, you will get the BP results. But make sure you wrap the arm cuff above 2 cm from the elbow and keep the tube in the middle of your hand, and the arm cuff should be parallel to your heart. And keep the device on the table and sit on the chair. Relax and calm. And during the BP measurement, don't talk or don't move your body because you will get the wrong results. Press the start button and as you can see, the BP measurement started. The device start the inflation. So this will measure the BP and the systolic, diastolic and also the pulse rate will be given. It's very simple in use and almost give the correct results. As you see, we get the systolic 117 mmg, diastolic 88 mmg and the heart rate is 91. So almost I found this BP monitor give the correct results and very easy for use at home. The BP results depends on many factors which I have discussed in my many videos. Please watch the above video. Now let me show you how to clear all the previous results in this device and make it like a format. You can delete all the previous records and record the new results in this one. And this device save the BP data until 30. As you can see, the button give you the previous results. Now how to clear all these results? Press the memory button and the start button at the same time and hold for few seconds, so all the BP results saved in the device will be cleared and all the memory will be clear and you save another data. As you can see, all the previous results are clean now. Thank you so much. Stay safe and healthy.